Hello everyone, this is Mike with the ShadowTrader Stock and Options Room. I want to show you a simple example of how the chart to the left can help you make good decisions for the present time. Now we all assume that when we do our charting, of course, but here is an example of Boeing. I took a trade this morning. It is currently now 4 hours into the trading day, and I want to show you a decision process I went through this morning to take a trade to the long side on Boeing. We see that price came down and formed a fairly clean consolidation box right through here. That is a good piece of information to gauge the personality of Boeing as it's trading here. Then what happens, it comes up here, or it comes down here. Actually, let me expand this up just a little bit so that it's a little easier to see. It comes in and starts coming below that box level. And while it's doing so, initially it has a difficult time going lower. And then it breaks a little lower and establishes a very clear low volume zone as it is trading in this range underneath. But note how compressed the price is underneath it as compared to this range in the previous auction to the left. This is valuable information. As it is drifting lower, it is having a difficult time doing so, and it establishes a gentle descending channel that it actually splits itself up into two parts to the channel. I find that very interesting, but while this is going on, I am noting that it is having a difficult time going lower, even through all of the controversy, the bad news, the earnings, all of that. It is noticeable that the bears are having a difficult time taking Boeing lower. So when I see that, I also look at the RSI, as you see it right here, and while it is ranging in here, having a difficult time going lower by comparison, it is rising. The RSI is beginning to raise. That is why this morning, now I'm going to go and blow this up again. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Fix that. When it came in here this morning, because of what I've noticed here, when it came below here, I asked some friends, should we buy Boeing if we get a look below and fail? I already knew that that's what I wanted to do. Why would I be willing to be an initiator here? Because of what I see going on here. Look at all of the volume. Look at all of the opportunity with all of the news, with all the controversy, with all the things going on with Boeing, that the bears have had an opportunity to take lower, and the volume that's come in has simply created a greater argument. So if the bears can't take it lower below this level and fail in a short period of time like it did this morning, I'm long right there. So this trade is still a valid trade. I'm not showing you something so much after the fact. Take a look at this, watch this. Let's see if it may come back. I have an alert here to take me out. I don't have a hard stop because I actually took the position in options, directional single leg options to the long side. But so that's why I have this alert here. But this could be come back in here, and there still could be opportunity. But watch this. This is a pretty solid reversal, and I originally had alerts to take me into the trade when we moved back up above here. But now this is even better, and I may even add to the position if we get up here. But hopefully that all makes sense. Hopefully you guys find that interpretation beneficial, and I'll see you guys down the road. Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm one of the moderators for the new ShadowTrader Stock and Options Room. Thank you for joining me for this video today, and if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe buttons below. I'd like to invite you to join me in the new Stock and Options Room. We've got some good trades going, studying some great charts and learning some great stuff together. In general, there's a lot of great content there that I think you would benefit from. So until then, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.